I meet a lot of people through my work, and every now and then I have the pleasure of being invited into their home. Today I've got the added pleasure of being asked to sell that home for them. I'm Gerald Watts and welcome to 24 Willis Street, Mosman Park. Originally built in 1922, the current owners have lived here for almost 50 years. Behind that wonderful lead light door there are high decorative ceilings, there's wide boards and there's big spacious rooms. Out the back there's a kitchen meals family room, which is spacious, but there's plenty of room to extend further if you want to. This wonderful location has everything. If you're going to catch the train, it's only a very short walk. There are parks that are close nearby. There's schools, St Hilda's Iona PLC. There's 2 supermarkets within 500 metres, and just around the corner, Rodney's Bait and Tackle. You can see all the space we've got out here. Now, this property has got an R40 zoning that makes it a triplex site. So even if you don't want to develop something in the short term, that will always underpin the value here. So get in touch and we can discuss this fantastic opportunity.